Hey viewers, this is A to Z Customs. Today I am probably going to end up replacing my throttle position sensor on this 1994 Ford Ranger. This is really this is the same thing you do for any throttle position sensor. It doesn't really matter the vehicle, but this is a 94 Ford Ranger, just in case you're curious. Basically, my symptoms are I'm driving around this truck, and whenever I first start the vehicle, the throttle will basically stick, not necessarily at idle, which would point me more to this area. The throttle will stick when I'm driving around on the road. So I took a look at the throttle body and the cable, and everything's fine there. That's one of the things you want to look at, 'cause sometimes the throttle cable can get crimped, and that can explain why your throttle is sticking. And then the next major suspect for something like this is the TPS sensor, which is right here. It's on the side of the throttle body. So anyways, the way to test it and make sure it's broken is you're going to want a multimeter. This is a really old-fashioned one I got sitting around here. You know, everybody has an electronic one nowadays. For some reason, I'm using an analog. And your ground wire or your ground is going to go at the top in the top cable. Your red one is going to go at the bottom. The red one's going to start at the bottom like so. And basically you are looking for a reading below 5. So your voltage reading needs to be below 5 here. And mine is at exactly 4. So then I'm going to pull the red wire and put it into the middle, like so. And you are looking for a reading of just below 1, which this is reading, it looks like just below 1 as well. So next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up the throttle a little bit, and the reading should jump accordingly as the butterfly valve in the throttle body opens up. So you're going to basically want somebody to either hit the gas, or you can pull on the cable, one of the two. Alright, so here we go. So it's supposed to reach all the way up to near 5. Go ahead and fully open it. Step on it. Is that full throttle? Yep. Oh, that's a little low. Well, that might explain. So it's supposed to, when you open it up to full throttle, it's supposed to go to just below 5 or right around there. And this is only hitting just below 3. I'm pretty sure this is my issue anyways, the throttle position sensor. Like I said, it's sticking, and the symptoms are really related to the throttle position sensor. As you can see here, it's only going to 3. It's supposed to go a little bit higher to about 5. So that would indicate that the throttle position sensor has gone bad. So luckily, these are extremely easy to replace. They literally have 2 screws here that you take a Phillips head to, and it pops right out. So that's what I'm going to do. Hey, and that's it. Nice thing about this job is it takes about 10 seconds. This TPS sensor was like 30 bucks. Where did I get this from? I got this from O'Reilly's. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, A to Z Customs. If you like this video, please subscribe. I think the next video I'm going to be doing is a trip to the junkyard. If you see my redneck stuff going on with my transmission line to my radiator, basically my threads went bad, and instead of replacing the whole line, I basically put on a rubber hose, but it's leaking, so I need to change it. I'm just gonna get a whole new line from, well, not new to me, from the junkyard. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Y'all have a good one.